How to build an app using ChatGPT. Host, install, and play it on your phone. Part 2. In our previous tutorial, we created an app using ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we will upload the app online and host it. Let's visit tiny.host. When the site appears, right-click on the file, select Send to, and choose Compress Zip folder. Enter the app's URL or link name such as TechTricksGh App Official into the provided rectangular box. When you are done, drag and drop the zip file on the tiny.host page or use the upload button to upload the file. Click the Google icon to sign in with your email and click Continue to sign in to tiny.host. It is the simplest way to host and share your web projects. Let's spend some few seconds and respond to these questions that can help tiny.host to serve us better. Once we are done, click Complete and the app is live. Let's click on View Site to see our site online and share it globally. Let's play the game to find out whether it is working or not. It is working perfectly. You can reset and play it again. To convert the web app into a mobile app, go to webintoapp.com. Click on Get Started. Let's copy the URL and paste it into the rectangular box. Now enter the name of the app and then click Next. Since we need to sign up, let's enter our name, email address, password, re-enter the password and click Register. Let's click on the icon button, browse to the icon location and click Open to insert the app's icon. Click on Make App. The Webintoapp app maker now builds and converts the web app into a mobile app. Let's give a little description of our app. For instance, this app is a simple game that will make your leisure time interesting. Now let's select a category and we are good to go. Now click on the cloud icon to download the app. When the download window appears, click on Download Free and hit on Download All Files zip. The download begins. In our next tutorial, we will extract the zip file, install the app on our phones, and play the game. You can't afford to miss it. That's it, TechTricksGh. Follow for more. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.